Hey, I am Mahima Trivedi, consultant clinical psychologist. In this series we'll talk about painful thoughts. So, painful thoughts are thoughts that are distressing, uncomfortable, or upsetting to think about. These thoughts can cause negative emotions such as sadness, anxiety, anger, or guilt. Painful thoughts can be caused by a wide range of factors, such as past traumatic experiences, negative self-talk, or worry about the future. It's important to recognize and acknowledge painful thoughts, but it's equally important to find ways to cope with them. Here are some strategies that may be helpful. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment, without judgment or distraction. This can help you become more aware of your painful thoughts and how they affect you. Challenge your thoughts. When you have a painful thought, try to identify the underlying beliefs or assumptions that are driving it. Then, ask yourself if those beliefs are accurate and if there is evidence to support them. Seek support. Talk to someone you trust about your painful thoughts. This could be a friend, family member, or mental health professional. Engage in self-care. Take care of yourself physically, emotionally, and mentally. This could include things like exercising, getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, and engaging in activities that you enjoy. Consider therapy. A mental health professional can help you explore your painful thoughts and develop coping strategies to manage them. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.